Diamonds are forever.
Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Makeup Moo, and I'm back with another tutorial. Before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe, okay? And hit that like button, because I'm telling you, you're gonna like this video. Let's go ahead and get started and see what these new products do. Hey guys, so I already moisturized my skin and did my brows. And I know I look crazy, but I added some tape on the side of my eyes because I want my eyeshadow to be like super sharp. So this ain't new, but I'm going in with my paint pot in the shade Painterly from MAC. It ain't new, but it makes it do what it do, okay? So I'm just gonna go over my lids and prime my eye with this. I'm also gonna sweep some under my lower lash line because I want to add some color there as well. And it's okay if you're messy because I'm honestly gonna take a makeup wipe to clean up once I'm done. So for eyeshadow, I'm gonna be taking the KKW Beauty times Mario eyeshadow palette because these colors are just popping. So I'm taking my Morphe 433, I think. Yeah, my 433, and I'm packing Albanian pretty much like on my eyelid as well as my crease. To blend that shade out a little bit more, I'm going to take my Morphe M518 and I'm going to pick up the shade Miami just to lightly blend the edges of Albanian. Okay, you gotta add your contrast, sis. And I'm being real light with the touch, and if you notice, my hand is like literally at the back of my brush because it's going to really give you more control with blending these two eyeshadows out. So I've never really tried any of the KKW Beauty products, but so far I really do like how these colors pack on without being too like chalky. And I really love so far how these two colors are blending like seamlessly. Like, we should pop in so far. We should pop in so far. To deepen the crease a little bit more, I'm taking my Morphe M514 brush and I'm taking the shade Loyalty, and I just want to place that more so just in the outer V of my eye. And I love this brush for when I want to be really, really precise with placing my eyeshadows in like my crease. So yeah, if you don't have this brush, sis, what you doing? Next, I'm going to take my Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Smoldering Satin. So I was pressed to go out and get this because for one, people have been raving about it and I've been like meaning to get it. But when I read that Beyonce's makeup artist used it for Coachella, Beyonce, oh sis, I was on it quick. I'm just gonna take this shade and ooh, this is so pretty. That's nice. I like this. And I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love this applicator tip. It's like you could be real precise with it, but it just is so soft and it just glides the product right on. And although this is like a glitter liquid eyeshadow, it's not like burning my eyes. I've tried liquid glitters and I feel like they irritate my eyes, but so far I don't feel any irritation. And do y'all see how bomb this color look? Thank you. And to highlight my brow bone and my little tear duct or whatever, I'm going to take the shade Armenian and just lightly dust that on. So bomb. Oh, that's pretty. So I'm like low-key obsessed with the shade Vegas and Libra, so I want to use those two shades on my lower lash line. So let's go ahead. So I was trying to decide if I wanted to put Vegas before Libra or Libra before Vegas. What y'all think? Actually, what I'm going to do is put Vegas like in the beginning and in the end, and I'm going to just pop Libra, like right in the center. Let's see what that's giving. So I'm just using a small shader brush. This one is from Morphe, my favorite. This is the M508 brush. I love how satin this eyeshadow is. I don't know why I thought it would come up a little bit more shimmery, but I'm loving how satin it is. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop that blue right in the center. So I'm gonna neglect my eyes for just a moment, just to start on the base of my face. So I will be trying some new products. And the first product that I'm going to show you guys is from Becca Cosmetics. Becca gifted me a few items, and the first one that I'm going to show you guys is the First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh Primer. I mean, duh, it says First Light Primer, but this primer does have like a lavender tint to it. This is what it looks like, and the primer basically is supposed to help your skin look more luminous, more fresh, more awake. And y'all know I don't get no sleep with my work schedule, so this couldn't have came at a better time. So I'm just gonna take a little of that and put it all over my face. Hopefully you don't have me looking ashy, but it does says that you can wear this product by itself, just so you know, just to wake your skin up. So I'm sure it's not gonna leave any like ashy tint. Right off the back, the product feels really soft. It reminds me of like a moisturizer. So for me, it's not feeling like greasy or heavy. But I do see that, I mean, I know I put my moisturizer on before this, but I do see a glow. Becca also gifted me their Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream, and I've been wanting to try this foundation for so long because it gives full coverage, and I live for a full beat, honey. So they allowed me to choose the color, and I kind of wish that I went to the store to swatch this first, because looking online, I thought that the shade Tobacco would look good for me. And when I swatched it, when I received it in the mail, I thought that it looked a little too yellow. So this is what it looked like. I did not put it on my face because I thought to try it with you guys. So because I feel like the foundation might be a little too light, I am scared. I'm actually going to go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C16. And I'm just going to put that concealer around basically where I would contour. Now Becca suggests that you use like just one pump with their Perfector brush, but I don't have that brush, so I'm going to be using my Morphe sponge. So this foundation is supposed to be very lightweight and breathable. Ooh, I don't know how I feel about this color, honey. And it's basically supposed to feel like skin. So let's see how it looks after we blend this out, because I'm scared about this color. But you know, looking on the shades on the little thing that they had, I felt like if I would have went up a shade that it would have been too red, and I don't have any red undertones, so let's see. So my beauty blender is damp. Y'all, did I play myself? Oh my goodness. Let's try to blend the dark concealer with it. Oh jeez. Oh wait, it's not looking too bad once I'm blending. I just be having the worst luck with buy foundations online. Like, I don't know what the hell I be thinking. This is why you should always buy your foundation at the store. Just don't even be lazy. Just go to the store, sis. Unless you already know your foundation shade, you need to go to the store. So, oh, actually doesn't look too bad against my neck. Oh, we might be in business, sis. Now, aside from the color, this foundation does feel extremely lightweight. Like, I don't feel like I have anything on my face at all. And this coverage is bomb. But I plan on going to Ulta once I'm done this video, so I'm definitely gonna pick up another shade, so that way I can try it with the shade up. But honestly, this shade don't look bad. And when I was telling one of my friends that I received this product and I told her what shade I had, she told me she hated this shade, but she loves the foundation. So maybe it's just the shade, honey. But it don't look bad. We're just gonna have to contour. This might just have to be one of those foundations that I just mix with another foundation. And that's not really a problem because I do that a lot anyway, mix my foundation. So it's not a big deal. But this foundation feels so bomb on my skin. Like, it really feels like, I don't want to say another layer of skin, but it just feels like I don't have anything on. Like, it just feels like skin. And I do feel like, I don't know if it's because I mixed that darker concealer around the perimeter of my face, but I feel like the foundation is oxidizing a little bit, so it actually match. Oh, we might be in business, baby. What y'all think about the color? Comment down below and let me know what you think about the color, because I might not even have to buy another shade. So you know what, I'm not gonna get it today. I want to know what you guys think first, because this actually, it actually like it match. It feels bomb, it looks bomb, the coverage is definitely there, but it's not like cakey and it don't feel heavy at all, so that is a plus for me. Becca also gifted me the under eye brightening corrector, and when I was reading the instructions, it said to put the cover cream, which is the foundation that I just put on, it recommended to put that on first and then put this on for a more intense like color payoff. Is color payoff the word I want to use? Like luminosity. Yeah, I think that's the word they use. So before I put on my concealer, I'm gonna put this under eye brightening correcting first. And I want to be really light with this because I just don't know what she's gonna give. First impressions or first thought is that it does exactly what it says. It's giving me like that glow. You see that? I mean, I have a glow on this side, but it's coming from like within, but this is like, it does look more intense. So I'm just lightly blending that underneath my eyes. So I'm going to be taking my Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer in the shade 6N and 5N. I have to use a little bit of the 6N first and then put the 5N on top for that extra pizzazz. I really could just use 5N by itself, but I wouldn't be me if I wasn't extra, now would I? And I'm just taking that same sponge to blend it out. Blend it out. Blend it out. So to set that concealer, I'm taking my favorite powder from Maybelline. It's in the shade Medium Deep. I'm just going to set that in place. And I don't want to bake. I just really want to press this powder underneath my eyes. And now I'm just taking some of my Sephora Micro Smooth powder in Deep number 56. And I'm just basically just fusing everything together so that my face just looks seamless and big. I'm now going in with my Black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Ebony, just to add some dimension back to my face. Next, I'm going to take the blush Gingerly from MAC. I normally use this on my lighter toned clients, but I want to see how it looks on me. So it's something new for me, okay? Oh, this looks good. I did not know I could wear Gingerly. I'm tripping. And as much as I use this product, I've never used it on myself. Okay, Gingerly girl. Next, I want to try this highlighter from the crayon case. This one is Rosy Glores. I've tried their I can never say that, Anglola, and I absolutely love that, so I'm sure I'm going to love this one too. And let's just see what she's giving. So for my lips, y'all already know, I'm going to go in with Choco Teas from MAC. And do my lip liner trick. All done. And I'm adding another shade from MAC, and this is Lady Be Good. And I'm just going to put that all over. And I think I'm going to keep my lipsticks matte today. So now that everything is done, I'm just going to go ahead and quickly add some lashes. Now that I have my lashes on, I just want to add a little mascara on the tips of them. And of course, I have to wisp out my bottom lashes. Oh, did I tell y'all which mascara I'm using? I'm using the MAC in Extreme Dimension 3D mascara, my favorite, y'all know. Guys, that is it. Please comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this makeup look, the new products that I use. Let me know if I played myself with this foundation, because honestly, when I first like put it on my face, I'm like, sis, which one? But with everything put together, it looks really good, and honestly, it matches my neck perfectly. So I don't think that I need to go buy a new shade just yet. Probably within the next few weeks when it really start warming up and being hot outside. I mean, hello spring. I mean, like, let's touch on spring real quick. Like, sis, I'm confused. Did you quit? Cause you just keep calling out of work, and I'm just like not understanding. Like, girl, do you not want your job? Sis, you need to come to work. It's cold outside. I'm tired of it being cold, for real. No, but seriously guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Show bloop.